that how to do the division part. See here, this is the division format, right? Denominator comes here and numerator comes here. You, as you all know, denominator comes here and numerator comes here. See here, 5, how many? 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 5 threes are. 5 to 15 लेंगे ना हम लोग? No, this is 13. 5 twos are 10 लेंगे हम लोग. So we will take 5 twos are what? 10 minus. 13 minus 10 is what? 3. So if you are taking 3, then 5 is larger number than 3. So what we will do? We will take here 0. If you are taking here 0, then we have to put here decimal point. नहीं ये बचपन से पढ़ के आ रहा है. Okay? So I am not focusing on that part because this is normal division. 5, how many is that? 30. 5, 6 are 30. Okay, minus this 0 minus 0, 0 minus 3 minus 3, 0. Okay, so we have reached this number 2.6. So we can write this as 2.6. Tell me whether this is terminating or non-terminating. क्या ये खत्म हो गया या चलते रह रहा है? Obviously 2.6 पर रुक गया है, 0 आ गया है आपको. So we can say that 13 upon 5. Therefore 13 upon 5 is what? Terminating, non-terminating. So is a terminating time. Is a terminating what? Time. I hope guys this is very much clear to you. Okay, this part. Now we will move towards 2 by 11. How we can do? 11 is a denominator outside. यहाँ पर है 2. Okay. As we can see, 11 is the bigger number and 2 is the smaller number. Okay. So हम directly 11 से नहीं ले सकते. So what you will do? You will directly first start with 11 zeros are 0, right? And ऐसा लेते हैं usually. So 2 minus 0 is 2. Okay. Again 2 we have got. So we will add here 1 0. Then you will get 1 point. Are you getting 1 point, guys? ये हमको आता है. अभी आप बोलेंगे सर, please tell me again in the division properties it will be not possible for me. This is the basic part. So 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. So we can't take 22. So we have to take 11 ones are 11. So 20 minus 11 is how much? 9. Are you getting my point? So you have reached till 9, but 9 के 11 से छोटा है. So what you will do? You will again take 0. Sir, वापस से point लो क्या करते हैं? No guys. नहीं. Only one time you have to take the decimal point. हर बार 0 डालते रहो तो हर बार point लेने की जरूरत नहीं, वरना नहीं बच्चे से करें. लिखेंगे point लेंगे. तो ये decimal form नहीं होता है. This is very much wrong. Okay, you have to take the decimal point only one time. Okay, 90. So 11 how many is up? 11 8s are 88 आता है. 11 9s 99 आता है. So we can't take 11 9s 99. So we have to take 11 8s are 88. So 11 8s are 88. Yes. 90 minus 88. कितना hard calculation है? 90 minus 88 कितना आता है? Yes, you have 2. Okay. So again you will take 0. As we have discussed, अगर छोटा नंबर तो 0 ऐड करेंगे. 20. 11 how many is up? 11 ones are 20. Sorry, 11 ones are 11. Okay, so 20 minus 11 is how much? 9. Again you will take 0. अगर आप ध्यान दोगे guys, ये रिपीट हो रहा है. देखो 11 8s are 88 माइनस करोगे तो वापस 2. तो ये रिपीट हो रहा है guys. 0.18 18 180 चलते रहेगा. Are you getting my point? दो बार रिपीट होगा तो समझ जाने का. Okay, if you will found 2 times the number is repeating, then it is known that the number will be recurring. It means non-terminating हो जाएगा वो. So this will be what? 0.1818 and so on. So how we can write? हम कैसे लिखते हैं इसको guys? 0.18 वो रिपीट हो रहा है इसके ऊपर बार, उसके ऊपर लाइन. Are you getting my point? जो नंबर रिपीट होगा उसके ऊपर what we will do? We will take a line. Okay, so I hope this much is clear to you. Okay, so what will be this? Recurring or terminating or non-terminating? Yes, this is the terminating. क्या ये terminating है ना? नहीं, ये terminating कैसे होगा? Okay, ये continuously चलते जाएगा. So it will be what? Non-terminating. So I can write therefore 2 upon 11 is non-terminating type. Non-terminating type. Clear? Okay, now we will move towards next part. This is 16 बाहर आया, 29 अंदर है, and obviously 16 is smaller number, 29 is larger number. So what you will do? So we will do the sum. 16 29. 16 1s are 16. 16 2s are how much? 32. 32 बड़ा हो जाएगा. So we will not take 32. We will take 16 1s are 16 minus 9 minus 6. You will get 3. 2 minus 1 you will get 1. Like 13. Getting my point? 16 बड़ा है, 13 छोटा है, तो हम क्या करते थे? We will take here 0. When you are taking 0, we have to put here point. Getting my point? And tell me 16 5 से कितना होगा? 16 5 होता है 30 80. 16 5 होता है आपका 80. Will not take. 16 7 is 7 2 7 11. 112. 16 8 is 8 48. 8 is 8 9 120. Yes. Nearby number is 128. So I can take 8 is 128. Getting my point? So yes, 130 minus 128 you will get 2. Okay? Then you will take 2 is the smaller number, तो अगर हम लोग क्या लेंगे 0 लेंगे यहाँ पे. Okay? 16 ones are 16. 16 into 32. We can't take 32. So we have to take 16 ones are 16. Minus 20 minus 16 is 4. 4 30 plus smaller number again take 0. Okay? 16 1 is 16, 16 2 is 32. तो वो नजदीक का नंबर लग रहा है हमारे को, right? 16 2 is about 32. 14 minus 32 is 8. Yes guys, focus here. 40 minus 32 is what? This is 32. Minus 32. This is what? 8. So 8 is a smaller number. What you will take? 0. You will take 0. So what you will take? Yes, 80. 16 5 is 80. आ गया आंसर मेरे पास. 16 5 is 80 you got. तो ये स्टॉप हो गया ना, आगे आने बढ़ेगा क्या? No, it will not move. So we will get what is the answer? 1.8125. You have to write the answer and you have to mention whether it is terminating or non-terminating. जल्दी बोलो. Chat box फटाफट बोलो. Terminating है non terminating है? Yes, it is a terminating. So we will get here 29/16 is what? Is terminating what? Type. ये कैसा होगा हमारा? Terminating type होगा. Okay? If you want, you can take the screenshot. Yes, guys, clear? Enjoy कर रहे हो कि नहीं? कुछ लोग सो रहे हैं, I think. Some students are sleeping. क्या मस्त सुना रहे हो सर, लोरी सुना रहे हो. Take the screenshot, guys, fast. Okay, don't worry, guys. We have till 11:45 time now. So हम लोग ये सेशन के बाद वापस से PPT में भी आएंगे. If you have any doubts, then I can show you there also. So just complete the video first. Done. I am moving towards the next part now. Yes, it's me. Obviously, it's me now. Some students are telling that, sir, it's you. Obviously, जो पढ़ा रहे वो मैं ही हूँ. Okay, students. Continue. Okay, guys, we are moving towards the next question. That is question number 2. We have to write the rational number in the decimal form. वही जो हमने पहले में देखे ना. What we have to do? हम लोग डिवाइड करते थे, उसके नंबर्स देखते थे, and we are telling that whether it is terminating or non-terminating, right? तो अभी हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? Just we have to write the answers. We have to not show the whether it is terminating or not. Just we have to solve the answers. जैसा previously किया वैसे ही करना है. No changes. Okay? So see here, हमको इसका आंसर देखना है. ये तीनों का आंसर देखना है आपको. See, 127 about 200, so we can take 200 outside, and here we have 127. As you can see, 127 is the smaller number. So what you will do? Firstly, हम लेते हैं zeros are 2200 zeros are 0, right? So minus करोगे you will get 127. Okay, what you will do? You will take 1 0 extra. So here you will have point. Getting my word, guys? हम लोग यहाँ पे extra 0 लेंगे तो you will get 1 decimal point. Yes? Yes. Tell me. 200 और 1270. 200 5 होता है 1000. 200 6 होता है 1200. 200 6 you have 600 12. You have 1200. Are you getting my point? 200 6 is 1200. So nearby number is 1200, right? So you have to take 6 are 1200. Minus 0 minus 0 0. 7 minus 0 7. And this is 0. So cancel it out. 0 0. 70 smaller number, yes or no? So what you will do? Again 2 you will take. Sorry, 0 you will take. What you will do? Again 0 you will take easily. So 700. What will be the nearest number? 200 ones are 200, 200 twos are 400, 200 threes are 600, 200 fours are 800. हम 800 लेंगे? No sir, because 700 is smaller than 800, right? So what you will take? 200 threes are 600. Minus 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 7 minus 6 1. So again 100 is smaller than 200 or not? Yes. So what you will take? Again you will take 0. So you have got 1000. क्या 1000 आता है 200 के टेबल में? Yes sir, 200 5 200 5 you will get what? 1000. Yes, reached 0 0 0 0. 0 minus 0 0 0 minus 0 0 minus 0 1 minus 0. So you have the answer 0.635. So you have to write 0.635. This is your final answer. Getting my point? Sir, terminating and non-terminating लिखना है क्या? No need to write because they have told only write the rational number in decimal form. Decimal form मतलब point पे लिखना है आपको. So you have written ना 0.635 you have written. So need to write terminating and non-terminating. No need to write. Okay, we are moving towards the next part. 25 upon what? 99. This is the next part. Okay. Yeah. 25 upon 99. Okay. So what normal divide you will do? 99 बाहर आ गया, 25 अंदर आ गया. Okay. So 25 is smaller number than what you have to take. 99 zeros are 25. Sorry, 99 zeros are 0 you will get na 0. Okay. So 25 minus 0 again 25 you will get. What you will take? You will take 0. Then whenever you are taking 0, then you have to put your decimal point. Okay. 99 ones are 99. 99 twos are 198. See here. 99 twos are is what? 198. And what about 99 threes are? 9 is 27. And 27, 28, 29. 297. Okay. So I have found out some multiplication. So 297 we can't take because it is a larger number. So you have to take twos are. Twos are what? 198 minus. Okay, subtract it. Here it will borrow. This will become 4 and it will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, 10 minus 8 is what? 2. 4 minus 24 minus 19 is what? 5. Okay, again if it is smaller number you have to take one 0. Yes, what is the nearest number? 99. 4 is 9 4 is 36. 9 to 36 39. 99 5 is 9 for the 45. 9 for the 45 49. This is about 495. Guys, ये आपको आना चाहिए. ये डिवीजन नॉर्मल डिवीजन है. मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन आपको आना चाहिए नॉर्मल वाला. Okay, so 99 5 495. I think this is very much near to it. 495 नजदीक है 520 का, तो I can write 5 are what? 495. Subtract 0 minus 5. It's not possible. It will borrow. भाई मुझे भी देना. तो it will take 2 से 1 ले. This will become 1 and this will become 10. Getting my point? So 10 minus 5 is what? 5. 51 minus 49 क्या होगा? 2. Simple logic. 51 minus 45 is what? 51 minus 49 is what? 2. So again you have 25. Again put 0. 250. What is the nearest number to 50 ka? This 2s are 198. Okay. So you will get again same. You will borrow. This will become 4. This will become 10. This will become 2. 24 minus 6 52. You can see, guys. अगर तो 0 करूँगा मैं. So again repeating is going on. Getting my point? Again repeating. 2 5. वापस 5 are 5. So this will go on. 0.25 25 25 25 will go on. So we will write here 0.25 25 dot dot dot. You can have 0.25 उसके ऊपर dash. I hope it is clear guys.